Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on AndroIndian. So in this tutorial, we will concentrate on advanced SDLC models. Before that, we already seen that old SDLC models. We seen various kinds of models. So today we will concentrate on advanced SDLC models. So what is advanced SDLC models? So in advanced SDLC models, so just before entering into this, first we need to know this here. So before going to this learn advanced SDLC, let us know the reason for outdating old SDLC models and organizations. They are like, the first point here it is, so the first point, the all SDLC models testing stage comes after coding only. Means old SDLC models, whatever we are discussed as of now, old SDLC models. So these all are comes after coding only. After coding, what happens here after coding means it's a time waste process. Then second here is, for that reason second is here, this single stage testing is conducted by same programmers and developers who perform the code. Normally developers only can perform the code because it's almost ending stage, they can do that. So if they can do, we cannot say it's a proper tested application. So that is a drawback here. And after that, due to this, some organizations not able to release quality product to the market, obviously not get quality product, because we cannot say developers are tested properly, so we cannot get the quality product. Then fourth, the develop and release quality software organizations not follow this SD models. So not follow this SD models, they can follow the new SD models to release the quality product. So what are those SDLC? We'll see here. So new SDLC models, organizations can conduct multiple stages of maintaining the separate. So multiple stages, they can maintain the different cases for this. How that multiple stages, and we'll see this. And that there are various is there. And that the first one is, so first is the fish model. So next is the V model. Next is the agile model, and last but not least, it's DevOps. So there are various kind of models are using in a nowadays in industry. So that is fish model, V model, agile model, and the next is the DevOps. In agile model, again there are various is there, like XP model, sprint model, next is the scrum model, like various is there here. So these are the various stages in this. So now first we'll concentrate here on today on a fish model. So what is fish model? So fish model is nothing but to release a quality product to customer or market, we need to conduct multiple stages of testing by including separate tester. So because of this reason, organizations are following advanced SDLC models. So to develop a quality software or a product to customer requirements and expectations, organizations are follow fish model, but this is costly to follow this model. So how this fish model will follow, just I'll show you the diagram in my website. So this is the fish model. So for every stage there is a review, like first SDLC here starts here, BABRS, then review and verification here, and SRS document collection, review and design, verifying, coding, verify, software integration, verify, acceptance, verify, release, verify. For every stage it is verification, validation is there, and also this stages is there. So this is the main reason here. This, so almost this is also will follow the same structures which we discussed already earlier. Like at first, project manager initiates the pin note, will be given to CEO, then the CEO will go for to start begin. Once BA can prepare the BRS and BA can review the BRS completeness and correctness, then business requirement specifications or user requirements are collected specifications. So like here, BRS means that's business requirement specifications, customer requirement specification. Like here, BA will connect the BRS business requirement and CRS customer requirement specifications and URS user requirement specifications. So BA will clear these other things. Once BA can prepare this, then SA can prepare the SRS document. SA, so software analyst will prepare the SRS document. So that is a software requirement developed and review by this correctness. Then design in 2 levels such as HLD, high level design, LLD, low level designs. Like 2 types of designs will design. Once this has done, then prepare the HLD and LLD other review by HLD correctness. Then programmers can develop the software by writing this integration. This see that we can able to see here like this. So here we have each and every this. So first BA will come and BA will prepare BRS and software analyst will prepare this and test analysis will design this. Then it goes to coding. Then it will show software integration. Then project manager other programmers can conduct unit testing and integration testing. A separate testing team can test the software called as software testing. Then project manager take care of the acceptance and release. Here programmers will test involve along with the customer side people. And finally that product will go take care by the maintenance and support. This is the first various. Else here a first project initiation note given to the CEO to the company, and a business analyst will generate gather all the requirements and gather the requirement testing purpose. A separate testing team will analyze. Then system analyst will do the analysis requirements. Then it goes for analysis this review. Then technical architect senior programmer will do the design of those analyzed requirement in the form of HLD or LLC. Separate testing this. All above I conducted by testing reviewing is called document testing or verification or static testing. Unit testing is done by these people. Then technology will decide either it go for .NET or this thing. Then it goes here. This is like this unit testing and all. Then integration testing. So integration testing means it's conducted by this interconnection or 2 more programs begin to this. Then software testing team will do the testing and irrespective of the customer requirements and gatherings. And after that it goes for accepting testing to the customer. So once the customer has accepted, then it goes to the public. And after that it's a release note, release testing. Release testing will done by the same customer as well as the testing team, and then it goes to the maintenance mode. So this is the irrespective of this software testing using advanced model. So advanced model we seen as of now there are major features are there, major advantages are there, but still it is also have some drawbacks. So what drawbacks? It is more time consuming to take, it is more expensive, costly, but note, just a note. But so V model will follow able to develop software specific stateless and aeronautical healthcare requirements, robotics, because major where is the major project development is there, everyone will go with the major developments. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. We'll see in the next video with me model. Thank you.